this video, you can learn how to set up Facebook Messenger in the HTML website where your website visitors can chat live with you on Messenger. You will receive the messages in your Facebook Messenger or Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. So let's get started with the process. First step is to set up the Facebook Messenger plugin and get the code in Facebook site. And next step is to set up the Messenger plugin code in HTML website. I have couple of Facebook page, some mine, some my clients to manage. So let's select our Facebook page. Here on this Facebook page, we need to click Settings tab on the left. Next, again, we need to click Messaging tab. Next, on the right, we need to configure other settings for activating the Messenger plugin. We can edit the greetings text here, and we can also allow guests to chat without logging into Facebook with this option. Next, we can add custom colors to our chat window to suit our site, along with left or right alignment and other settings. Next, on this page, we need to add the site URL in which we are intending to add the Live Messenger chat plugin and save the changes. Next, we can either copy this code and manually add them ourselves in our HTML website. Or, if we have a developer, we can add email here and send them code to install it. Next step, we need to install the Facebook Messenger plugin code in our HTML site. We need to head to our web hosting account which hosts our HTML site. My HTML site is hosted in GoDaddy, and you may have hosted your HTML site in any other web hosting site. But almost all CPanel settings, the process is the same. So we need to go to File Manager and select the site where we want to install the Messenger plugin code. Next, search for index.html page. If you wish to add Facebook Chat Messenger only in home page, but if you wish to add on all pages, you can set up the code in all the HTML pages of the site. You need to select the page and click Edit and paste the Facebook Messenger plugin code. See this body tag and save changes. We can refresh our HTML site page and confirm the chat messenger and done. Web visitors can chat live with us from our HTML website. And done with this video process, please like and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful. Thank you.